How to sign up on Whatnot. So here is a clear step-by-step guide for signing up on Whatnot, whether you are joining as a buyer or applying to sell. So first of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser, then simply navigate to the Whatnot official website. Type down in the search address bar Whatnot and hit enter and search for it. Now, once inside the official site, all you have to do is tap on the sign up button available at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the sign up, and once you tap on the sign up, all you have to do is tap on the continue with Google option available for the easy access, because if you start writing full name, email and all, then it will take more long procedure. So I will just suggest you to go with the Google. Now continue, and your Whatnot account will be easily be shown and you are logged in. So now all you have to do is enter some minor details such as where do you live and what do you prefer buying or selling in Whatnot. All you have to do is choose some according to your preferences. Then once done so, they will ask you for your phone number and enter your phone number and they will send you a code, and all you have to do is enter your code and your Whatnot account will be created successfully. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.